The number you have reached is not in service. This is a recording.
Hi guys, my name is Roger, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this bass sound, which is from the SP-808, the virtual analog synthesizer. Here it comes. Very cool deep bass sound, and I'm going to show you how to create it with this unit. Check it out, here we go. To create that bass sound we have to select the synthesizer sound, so we do Shift FX Edit and we go to A99, which is the analog synth. We say yes, and we see several parameters, and I'm going to adjust these parameters to show you how to create that sound. So let's start with the first one, the com. We don't do any changes over here. We go to the synth LFO and we take down the LFO. Then we go to the next one, the VCO and the ring modulator. We leave it on pulse. The pulse width we put on 0. The PWM, the pulse width, we put also on 0. Of course, fine tune on 0. It's all from the oscillator 1 because we're not going to use the oscillator 2. So we can leave that like it is. We go to the next step, virtual VCF. I put the oscillator 1 on 100. And I turn down the volume of the oscillator 2 to 0. No noise, no external in, no ring. The filter type on LPF, slope -24. The cutoff frequency we put on, let's start with 18. And the resonance we put on 100. Meanwhile, I will touch now my keys of my synthesizer to hear what the sound is what we have now. Okay, this is the sound what we have now. We're going to adjust it. Attack 0, decay. We go to 20. Sustain out and release 40. LFO depth, we take it out. No external level. Cutoff, we leave it on. And the velocity sense on 0. Okay, let's check it out now. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We go to the next one, virtual VCA. Initial gain 0, envelope depth we leave it on 80. If the sound is too loud, we can adjust it here to a lower level. Attack 0. Decay we put on 70, sustain out, and the release we put on 75, for example. LFO not, external level also not, and velocity sense on 0 also. Next one, delay is off and chorus flanger is also off. Okay, let's check it out. Now you hear it's too loud, so we go back to the virtual VCA and we say over here, envelope depth on 45. Let's check it out. Here it is. Easy like that. So, if you want to play this sound with your MIDI keyboard, you do the following. You go to System, MIDI Parameters, and you make sure that the FX control channel is on 11. So choose channel 11 on your keyboard, on your master keyboard, and you're good to go to play with it. Well, important also is to have a MIDI channel of MIDI cable from in to the master keyboard on out, and then you can play. That's how you create this 808 bass sound with the virtual analog synthesizer of the Roland SP-808. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you like it, and for sure this one can be a breakthrough, a real breakthrough for the SP-808. Thank you guys for watching, see you next time, bye bye.